Hey guys, I'm a bird now. Yeah, I'm a bird now. Just kidding. Hey, what's up, guys? Lightning Cheetah here. And how's it going over there? Can you see my face? You can see my face. The girl that I'm talking to is my cousin. Warning. The person I'm about to show you is graphic.
Hi guys, me again.
Yeah, it's her.
Go to my YouTube channel, Sadi
Saudi in a
Major Way.
yeah, Saudi major way.
And don't subscribe. Wait,
Subscribe, cause she need that money.
you need that money.
You need that money.
You need it.
You need it.
So why you on YouTube? Okay then.
You on YouTube too. Whatever. So this video was mostly about a bird. Hello. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? She came to attack the bird. The camera. Ladies and gentlemen. Ah! Oh my God. She's a lunatic. Whoa! You lunatic. You lunatic. That's what you are, lunatic. Wow! She came for my finger. You lunatic. Well, what's up? What's up? No! I'm gonna let her actually attack the camera. Just kidding. No, I'm serious. I'm serious. What's up? No. No. What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Die! Die! What's up? Oh no! She's gonna attack it! No! Okay. Okay. You want me to let out? Huh? You want me to let out? No? Oh. Do I be let out? Oh. Okay, I'm up this girl again. I'm gonna take this apart. I'm gonna take this off. Like that. Boom chakalaka. Open the cage. Huh. Grandma, I can let her out.